Capricorn, I'm back. It's the White Wolf Mother bringing you another message. Three cards past, present, future for Capricorn. I was hearing North Node too. Let your light shine. Three cards past, present, future for Capricorn. Vocation. I'm hearing say what's on your mind. Say what you mean what you say. Higher self, higher calling. Nice. Overall energy, make the effort. Yeah, with that vocation. Somebody need to speak up. Let's go, Cappy. See what's up. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, North Node. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're not already subscribed to my channel. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So, Cappy, you holding on to a King of Swords. That's your energy there with the Four of Pentacles. With the King of Swords. So, you're holding on to a King of Swords. That's your energy. Or either the King of Swords is holding on to you. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. North Node. Oh. Seven of Cups, Queen of Wands. Illusions. Yeah. Options. Thank you. Let's do it. Overall energy for Capricorn. Two of Cups. Oh, wow. Two of Cups with make the effort. Three cards past, present, future for Capricorn. Let your light shine. Vocation and higher self. Somebody need to, honey. Somebody need to speak up. Two of Cups. Under Let Your Light Shine, Five of Wands, competition. Yeah, I figured that when that Seven of Cups was on the split. Yep, competition. Under vocation, Four of Pentacles. There you are, Cappy. Holding on. That's your energy. Vocation, vacation. Now I'm looking at the card, I'm hearing vacation. Somebody may have put all of their money into this vacation here and now they're not even going. I'm hearing vacation. Vocation, vacation. Under higher self, there's the counselor. That's my ancestor card. Right, under the higher self. Guiding you, Capricorn. Your ancestors are speaking here. And of course, higher education on a lower level, higher education. Got the counselor here. This could be an actual counselor or a teacher of some sort. Somebody going to talk to somebody about this. 5 of Wands, 4 of Wands. That's 9 Wands. Somebody tired of this shit. Fighting in this home here. This home I'm hearing is in an uproar. In a whole uproar. 4 of Pentacles. Chariot. Somebody going somewhere. That's Cancer energy there. Letting go of this Cancer. Somebody letting go of a Cancer here. Or either someone's letting go of the situation they're in to go towards a Cancer. Either way. Counselor, 9 of Pentacles, single man, single lady card. 9 of Pentacles. Yeah. Yeah. Abundance. Abundance. It's coming. Whoever's waiting for money, it's on the way. 4 Wands, Chariot with this 9 of Pentacles. Whoever's waiting for money, it's on the way. You got the Chariot right next to the 9 of Pentacles. Yep. It's on the way. 4 Wands. There's the 3 of Swords. Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. Yeah, all this fighting is heartbreaking. I'm hearing the house is in an uproar. All this fighting over what? Money. Probably 4 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles. Yeah, over some money. And then I'm hearing this car needs work. You know, the Chariot is a car. Boat, car, motorcycle, anything to take you from point A to point B. Anything to take you from point A to point B. And I'm hearing somebody's car need, I'm hearing Lexus. I'm hearing somebody's car need work. Somebody driving too fast. I'm hearing somebody need to slow the fuck down in this car, man. Driving too fast. Yeah, because you focused on something here. This 4 of Wands. Yeah, next to this Chariot. You're focused on something here. Well, honey, whoever's speeding, they better be careful. I'm hearing that's why your car need work now, because you be doing too much. I'm hearing slamming on the brake. Who? Somebody just, I don't know. Under this Chariot, King of Pentacles. He got the bag. Business owner. Stable. This the nigga you go to for a loan. This you go to King of Pentacles, you get a loan. This might be somebody's dad. So what? Somebody going to their dad for a loan to get this car fixed. Somebody going to their dad, honey, and try to get some money for this car. I'm hearing it's going to take a lot of money to fix this car. 9 of Pentacles under the counselor, right next to the Chariot. That's 10 of Pentacles. King of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles. That's 10 Pentacles. You love this card. Two of Cups. Overall energy, Two of Cups. You love your car. Nine of Pentacles, Two of Swords. So I guess your dad trying to figure out if he want to give you the money. Two of Swords. Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. Or this could be your man. This could be your dude. Somebody gonna ask they dude for the money. Or your girl. This could be a female in her masculine energy. And she got the bag, honey. Three of Swords, Two of Swords, that's five swords. You already got the Five of Wands. Yeah, I bet you are tired of this card. Five of Wands, Four of Wands. I bet you are tired of this card. So you thinking about selling it? Now I'm hearing you thinking about selling. And then that's you, Capricorn, King of Pentacles. I'm hearing you sick of this card. Go on and sell it. What you gonna do? Three of Swords. Thought you thinking about, I know that's right. You thinking about selling that motherfucker though. I know that's right. Good. I'm hearing good riddance. Stop playing, Cappy. You might as well just go on and sell it. And King of Pentacles. Now there's the Hermit. Here's the Hermit. Searching for a mechanic. Searching for a mechanic. To keep, I'm hearing to keep working on this car, man. What, somebody need to do something with this car, or what is you gonna do? Cause honey, somebody putting all their money into this car and it ain't about shit. Two of Swords. Damn. Oh snap. Somebody is definitely holding on, because I couldn't, these two cards were sticking together and I couldn't even. There's the Justice under this Two of Swords here. That's more that's Libra. That's Libra. Justice. Justice under the Two of Swords. I just heard not what I expected. Whatever that means. I don't know your life, so I just heard not what I expected. Under this thought, Ace of Cups. What? This is reversed. This Ace of Cups is reversed. Oh, you thought they loved you, Cappy? Oh, Cappy. You thought they loved you? Oh, so what? So what? Since your dad, so for some, y'all dad or y'all dudes not gonna give y'all the money, and now you talking about, oh, I thought you loved me. Capricorn. Or either this is you. You refuse to give up the bread. And that's Virgo, with this Hermit here. Under this Hermit, there's the Wheel of Fortune. Right, it's coming, Capricorn. Just calm down. And what I'm gonna need you to do is figure out what you gonna do with this car. You waiting on your money. Right. You're waiting on your money. It's coming. Under the Justice, there's the Devil. God, there you are, Capricorn. Okay. The Devil under the Justice. Oh, Lord. Devil under the Justice. Yeah, because you feel like, so I'm hearing for whoever, somebody feel like they got played by a dealership or wherever you bought the car from. Somebody feel played with this devilish energy here over this situation or a car. Wheel of Fortune, Sagittarius energy. Ace of Cups reverse, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. And then you got the Three of Swords with the Devil. Somebody. Capricorn, this person never loved you, bruh. This person never. You got the Three of Swords with the Devil. This person never loved you, bruh. They was just exactly King of Pentacles right on the board. Three of Swords, Devil. Somebody just using somebody for their bread, bruh. Like, yeah. I'm hearing, I love the dough more than you know. Damn. That's messed up. Yeah, somebody definitely got played here. What this King of Pentacles gotta say? Honey. I got the mirror right there. King of Pentacles. Yup, and I just heard I'm leaving. I know that's right. Who in the hell gonna keep doing this and shelling out and forking out money to a motherfucker that don't even love? And you, Capricorn, and you know, I'm hearing you already. Some of y'all knew this shit, and then y'all just kept going with the shit. Four of Pentacles holding on. I'm hearing because of the way shit looks. Somebody worried about how shit looks, and you knew this wasn't about nothing, this whole situation. But I'm hearing that some of y'all went on ahead and got involved anyway. And then as far as the car, for some of y'all it's a person, and then for others it's just the damn car. You knew when you bought the car. I'm hearing you knew when you bought the car too, but you went on ahead and did it anyway. Alone. So somebody took a loan out for this car here. King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles for Capricorn. King of Pentacles for Capricorn. Sorry, y'all. Hold on. Sorry. King of Pentacles for Capricorn. What the King of Pentacles gotta say? Yeah, for some, this is y'all dad, and he ain't fucking with y'all. King of Pentacles. Self with the moon. Pisces. That moon is Pisces. This self-reflection with this moon here. Right, because you realize a motherfucker don't give two fucks about you. What the... I'm going, because I'm hearing this. Y'all, some of y'all already knew this, and honey, this is a wrap. Three of Swords, ain't no coming back from that. Not usually. Three of Swords, ain't no coming back from that. That Devil and Three of Swords, that's really fucking me up. Like, that's some foul. Like that, I'm hearing that that's some premeditated shit. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, I'm hearing that that was some premeditated shit, yo. So what? Somebody was clocking somebody. Somebody playing this whole shit out, yo. Somebody was clocking somebody close, yo. Like, I'ma get her. Or she got all, she got the bag. Yeah, or I'ma get him. Yeah, oh my God. I'm hearing take him to the cleaners. That's foul, yo. And karma's a bitch. Right on the board. Capricorn, I don't know if this is you or not, but Wheel of Fortune's here, right next to the devil, with the Ace of Cups reversed. That's bad karma, bruh. That's bad karma. Yup, and somebody gonna get exactly what the fuck they deserve, what they put out, and you're gonna get it right the fuck back. This is trifling as fuck, and I'm going out of here. This is a mess. King of Swords, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini at the bottom. Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, it was all about money. It was all about the money. Gotta be more careful. Gotta be more careful. Yeah, but I'm hearing some of y'all played yourself though, cause y'all knew what the deal was, but you and honey, I'm getting Three of Pentacles energy. Somebody done sold their fucking soul for some bullshit that didn't even add up the shit, bruh. Somebody done sold they fucking soul, bruh. Cause there go the judgment with the not the judgment, the justice right here with the Wheel of Fortune, bruh. Somebody done fucking really overdid it. For what? You ain't getting nothing out of it. You did. Somebody, whoever this is, they did all that for nothing. I knew that was coming with that Three of Swords and that devil. Like, that's some deep ass shit. Like, somebody really played theyself. I'm getting fool card. I'm getting fool card energy. Somebody like really played theyself. Like, thinking they had the shit all figured out. Adult children. Honey. Somebody immature. Yup, and I'm hearing they immature because you got vocation on the board and honey, not speaking up for yourself, just going along with shit. I'm hearing that you don't know nothing about, and you got somebody got they self into some shit, yo, for real. Somebody got they self, and then you got the moon card with the devil. Oh my God. Well, honey, Capricorn, if this is you, I don't know how the hell you gonna get out of this one. And your ancestors warned you. You got the counselor on the board. Man, I'm going. Honey. Who's reading this? Who? Capricorn. Self-employment. Self-employment. Oh, now you don't want to work with nobody now. You want to work by yourself. Bye. A whole mess. Look. A whole mess. Mm, mm, mm. 2 came out. Self-care and volunteer. Self-care and volunteer. Support. Taking care of yourself. I'm hearing somebody act so helpless, like they can't do nothing for themselves with this volunteer and self-care. I'm hearing somebody need a motherfucking Academy Award, honey, because somebody done really... Capricorn, I don't know who you dealing with, but they're trash. And I said it. And they're trash. And they're trash. And I'm going, and they're trash. That 3 of Swords and Devil, that got me hot. Like, that's trifling as fuck. Like, somebody just... I'm hearing they don't give a fuck about nobody but they self. That's a shame. Well, honey, I'm hearing you live and you learn. You live and you learn. I don't know how you gonna get out of this. Good luck, man. This is crazy. All right, Capricorn. Hope y'all, I hope this reading helped y'all out. If this is somebody that did this to you, yeah. Well, now you ain't gotta, it's over now. You ain't gotta worry. But now you know who the person really is. I'm hearing they showed their true colors. They showed their true colors, and now you know. But I'm hearing now it's too late because you done lost every fucking thing, bruh. 4 of Pentacles. You lost. You lost. I'm hearing this too. Now you found out too late that you was being played. 4 of Pentacles and lost everything. Good job. Like, share, subscribe, y'all. Talk to y'all soon.